In this step-by-step tutorial, you will learn how to parse a multi-page table using PDF.co document parser. We have here a sample PDF that has a multi-page table. Let's start by logging in your PDF.co account. On your dashboard, go to the document parser page by clicking the document parser menu. Once you're already on your document parser page, click New Template to start creating a template. Load the PDF or image file that you're going to use for creating the template. Next, click the Add Object and select Add Field based on text search to get the total value. To get the total, set the expression to total spaces number, make sure to check the regex checkbox, and set the data type to decimal or currency. Then, let's add another object. Select Add Table field based on text search to get table data. To get the table data, add the following properties. After adding the objects, you may now run the template. Here's the parse data result from the multi-page table. Once you're finished creating your template, you may now save it. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel or on our website. Thank you for watching.